my name is Sriram, and I have recently completed a Masters in Business Analytics and Digital Marketing from GUVI. GUVI has been an excellent platform for enhancing my technical skills. The courses are well structured, industry relevant, and designed for practical learning. I especially appreciate the hands-on project and real-world case studies that helped me apply concepts efficiently and the instructors. Instructor plays a very important role while studying. So the instructors are knowledgeable and can explain complex topics in simple and engaging manner. Support from GUVI team was outstanding. They helped me in every aspect throughout my course. They were responsive and always ready to assist with queries. Overall, GUVI has greatly contributed to improve my skills in data analytics, programming, and business intelligence. I highly recommend GUVI to anyone looking up to upskill and stay industry ready. So if you guys really want to upskill yourself or learn new techniques or learn new tools efficiently, I recommend you to join GUVI. And once you join GUVI, you're not going to regret it.